will demonstrate the decontamination of an emergency responder wearing an encapsulated suit. Non-encapsulated suits can vary significantly and, in an actual incident, would require more manpower. Before beginning, remember that good communication is key. Guide the entrant to the decon entry point. Direct the entrant to drop his or her tools, outer gloves and booties in an appropriate drop if applicable. Direct the entrant to the shuffle pit to remove gross decontamination. Guide the entrant to step onto the pad and grasp the PVC cane for stability. Working from the top down, use the sprayer to rinse the entrant. Direct the entrant to turn as needed, ensuring that he or she is completely rinsed prior to stepping into the scrubbing station. A solution may be used at the rinse station as identified and directed by a hazardous materials technician. Working from the top of the head down, scrub the entrant with soapy water, paying special attention to hands and feet, which tend to be the most contaminated. Direct the entrant to turn when necessary. Using the same head-to-toe process, rinse the entrant with clear water. After a thorough scrubbing and rinse, direct the entrant to lift 1 foot at a time while the bottom of the foot is decontaminated. As before, scrub first, then rinse with clear water. Instruct the entrant to place the clean boot outside onto the clean absorbent pad. Caution: once clean, do not step back into the dirty decon pool. Repeat with the other foot. Set the first cane down and pick up the next cane. Step into the next washing station. Repeat the entire process starting from the head to toe and paying special attention to the hands and feet. Scrub first, then rinse with clean water, being sure to scrub the bottom of the boots before stepping outside the pool. Direct entrant to step into suit bag for removal of PPE. Ensure the entrant remains standing. Do not allow them to sit at this time. Have the entrant pull his or her arms and hands back into the suit. Starting from the top and working toward the bottom, open the flaps covering the zipper. Unzip the suit completely. Touching only the outside of the suit, roll the suit away from the entrant. The entrant, touching only the inside of the suit, may assist in doffing of PPE. Roll the suit down from the top to bottom. Once the suit is down to knee level, the entrant may sit. Assist the entrant in removing boots. Direct him or her to step onto the pad toward the SCBA doffing station. At the SCBA doffing station, remove the helmet, the SCBA pack, and the facepiece, placing them in appropriate bins. Remove the inner gloves. Instruct the entrant to exit the decon line to personal showers, medical, and rehab.